It was a cold winter's night in the small town of Hollyville, where the streets were adorned with twinkling Christmas lights, and the air was filled with the scent of pine and cinnamon. The townspeople were eagerly preparing for the upcoming Christmas celebrations, blissfully unaware that something sinister was about to unfold. In the heart of Hollyville, the Johnson family was decorating their home with festive ornaments and colorful lights. Little Timmy, an 8-year-old with rosy cheeks and an infectious smile, was bubbling with excitement as he wrote his letter to Santa Claus. The Johnsons were a close-knit family, and Christmas was their favorite time of the year. As the clock struck midnight, a mysterious chill settled over Hollyville. The wind howled through the narrow streets, causing the Christmas lights to flicker ominously, and unbeknownst to the townspeople, an ancient curse had awakened, casting a shadow over the festive season. The Johnsons were fast asleep when a soft, jingling sound echoed through the house. Timmy, who was a light sleeper, was the first to awaken. He crept out of his bed and tiptoed down the creaky stairs, drawn by the eerie melody. The living room was bathed in an otherworldly glow as Timmy gasped at the sight before him. There, in the center of the room, stood a figure dressed in a tattered red suit, with a long, unkempt beard that reached the floor. The once jolly eyes of Santa Claus now glowed with a malevolent light. Timmy's heart pounded as he realized that this was no ordinary visitor. Santa Claus, Timmy stammered, his voice barely audible. The figure turned slowly, fixing its gaze on the frightened child. The room seemed to grow colder as the spectral Santa extended a skeletal hand, beckoning Timmy closer. The air was thick with an oppressive silence, broken only by the echoing jingles of rusted bells. Terrified, Timmy tried to scream, but no sound escaped his lips. The ghastly Santa approached, and with a bone-chilling whisper it spoke. "I've come for the naughty children, Timmy, the ones who have forgotten the true spirit of Christmas." As the malevolent entity reached out to touch Timmy, the entire town of Hollyville was plunged into darkness. The Christmas lights flickered and died, leaving only the haunting glow of the cursed Santa Claus. The once jubilant decorations now twisted into grotesque forms, casting eerie shadows on the walls. Hollyville became a ghost town, its residents vanishing without a trace. The legend of the haunted Santa Claus spread far and wide, a cautionary tale for those who dared to forget the true meaning of Christmas. To this day, the chilling laughter of the cursed Santa Claus can still be heard on winter nights in Hollyville. Legend has it that the spirit lingers, waiting to teach a lesson to those who have strayed from the path of kindness and joy. As the townspeople vanished, so did the holiday cheer, leaving Hollyville shrouded in a perpetual winter darkness, a chilling reminder of the consequences of forgetting the magic of Christmas.